Welcome back to class, everyone. Today we're going to do Chapter 1, the chapter test, which is on page 41, number 4. If you add the square of Ruben's age to the age of Angelita, the sum is 62. But if you add the square of Angelita's age to the age of Ruben, the sum is 176. Can you say what the ages of Ruben and Angelita are? Well, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and get some variables. So R would be Ruben's age, and A would be Angelita's age. And now we want to put the equations in there. So if you have Ruben's age squared plus Angelita's age, you get 62. And if you have Angelita's age squared plus Ruben's age, you get 176. We can use substitution because we know A in the first equation is equal to 62 minus r squared. What we did was just move the r squared over here by subtracting it. And then we take that and we plug it into the a squared. So if we do that, we take this whole portion, 62 minus r squared, and plug it in. We still have to square it because there's still a square right here. This whole thing is a. And then we add r, following along with this, and we get 176. Now that's going to be a chore, really, to do all the algebra involved in figuring that out. So we're going to try something a little bit simpler, and that is we're going to use a spreadsheet with guess and check. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and set up the spreadsheet with Ruben's age over here and Angelita's age over here. I just entered in 1 because I'm going to test out some numbers. And then I have formulas in here. The formula I have right here in this cell that is showing number 2 is r squared plus a, and it shows you what it is right here. And the formula I have over here is a squared plus r, and I have the answers showing up over here where the 2's are. But I put what I'm looking for is a 62 and a 176 for the answer for this one, and a 176 for the answer for Angelita's where the 2 is. So I know what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to try out some numbers. Now because r squared is going to give me a higher value, I'm going to go ahead and just assume that Angelita is older. So I'm going to go ahead and put maybe a 9 in for Angelita and see what happens. Okay, that's what happened to the numbers. This is an 82 and this is a 10. Well, maybe, let's see, maybe Ruben might be 5. Okay, well, it's a 34 when I put a 5 in. R squared plus a is 34. So I need to go higher on that. So maybe I'll go to 6. But this 87 is still pretty low compared to 176 I need to get to. So maybe Angelita is 12. I'll just undo that. I think I put that in the wrong thing. It's going to be 12. Well, I'm at 150. I probably need to go a little bit higher because I'm trying to get to 176. So maybe she's 13. I'm at 175. Well, what if I change this and go up just 1? Because I only need 1 more to go from 175 to 176. Maybe this is 7. Oh, there it is. So by using guess and check and the assistance of a spreadsheet to calculate all of these values for us, we see that Ruben is 7 and Angelita is 13. And thanks, Kathy, for the question. I hope this answered your question. And if you would like to go ahead and do all the algebra for that, you're more than welcome to. Or if you want to use the spreadsheet. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.